What's the difference between a good cold email and a spam cold email? Customization, sending a relevant message to a person that is likely to buy. If you customize, if you personalize your emails, then you don't have to worry about GDPR, you don't have to worry about spam complaints, because it'll seem like you are one person reaching out to another person that works for a business that would be likely to respond to you. And one of the easiest ways to personalize that message is through a custom first line. We've talked about the 5 parts of a cold email on this channel, and you can watch a video that goes over a perfect cold email template later. But to recap, those 5 parts are subject line, first line compliment, case study, call to action, email signature. So in today's video, I wanted to deep dive on part 2 of the email, on the first line. What goes into a custom first line? What goes into those email compliments? And how do you ensure that your emails are personalized enough to avoid the spam box? Stick around, this is gonna be a good one. But before we jump in, I noticed most of you guys aren't subscribed, and we're trying to flip this chart. So if you wouldn't mind subscribing down below and liking the video to encourage this type of content on YouTube, that'll help spread the message and find more people like you, and it doesn't cost you anything. With that being said, let's jump into the video. So I'm about to show you the custom first line, and of course you can't write 100 cold emails per day if you're writing every single one from scratch and spending hours on each one. It just would not be possible. There's not enough time in the day. But what you can do is create a good personalized email template and customize the first line to reach directly to that specific prospect. And that's what I want to show you in today's video. We're not writing our cold emails from scratch and handcrafting every word, because in our testing, those tend to either perform exactly at the same level or sometimes even underperform emails that follow a good strategy, a good framework. However, a cold email with a custom first line will outperform a standard generic email template by 10 times or more. So mastering that little bit of personalization is key for improving your cold email campaigns in general. So let's start by going through the $1 million cold email template that we reference inside the book Cold Email Manifesto. Here's the email. Subject, quick question. Hi Jackson, been following Fuzz for a while and love your work. Awesome job with Rockefeller Center. I specialize in finding new clients for web and app developers. Recently, we helped Dom and Tom, an NYC-based developer, bring on McDonald's and close an extra $1 million in 6 months. Can you take on more clients at Fuzz? Let me know and I can send over a few times to chat. Thanks, Alex. And here you can see the parts of the cold email, the subject line, custom compliment, 1-sentence case study, and what we're talking about today, the call to action, and then the email signature is down here. So let's write a few cold email first lines and I'll show you how it's done. Let's start with Taylor Welch. The place that I like to go to write these cold email first lines is LinkedIn, and there's a reason for it. I'm starting to get addicted to the amount of money that can be made on LinkedIn, and I'm loving it. I love LinkedIn. So Taylor Welch, how would this cold email look? Let me find one thing to compliment him on. Consultant next door. Let me talk about this book. He's written a book. Let's talk about the book. Hey Taylor, been following you for a while and I loved Consultant Next Door. The reason why I said this, been following you for a while, is if somebody's creating content and they've released a book that has 113 reviews, like he's talking about here, that means he has an audience, and the best way to butter him up is to pretend to be a member of that audience. If you really wanted to appeal to him as well, omni-channel style, anybody that creates content, you want to make sure you're following them on Twitter or following them wherever they are. Next up, we have Alma Mulatto, Group Digital Director at Wavemaker. So now we need to find something to compliment her on. She is the Group Digital Director at Wavemaker, and I'm not seeing much from her LinkedIn. So let me look at Wavemaker itself and try to find some company news or something. How Wavemaker India became the most wanted media agency. There's a news article from CNBC 3 weeks ago. Wavemaker Canada named CEO. So I know 3 things actually about Wavemaker. 1, the Canada branch has a new CEO. 2, Wavemaker India became the most wanted media agency. And 3, Wavemaker is a big enough company to have offices in all of these different places with different CEOs, etc. So they're a giant corporation. So now with that in mind, let's write this first line for Alma. Hey Alma, huge fan of Wavemaker, saw the feature in CNBC and knew I had to reach out. That's the second example. Now let's do another one. This is Sam Yam, co-founder at Patreon YCE at Y Combinator. And he's the CTO, which means we want to compliment him if we can about something related to the technology side of things. So let's do that. Hey Sam, big fan of all your work, following Patreon for a long time now. And I love how scalable and stable, the code base has stayed. Beautiful. Tech guys get to see that. I'll be like, is he joking? And I'll respond. Or if he is actually very confident in his work, he'll take it as a compliment. So it's either a joke or a compliment. Either way, you're in. So to review, our 3 first lines that we came up with were, hey Taylor, been following you for a while and I loved Consultant Next Door, epic read. Hey Alma, huge fan of Wavemaker, saw the feature in CNBC and knew I had to reach out. And hey Sam, big fan of all your work, following Patreon for a long time now, and I love how scalable and stable the code base has stayed. If you want to learn more about lead generation and cold email and join a community of like-minded hustlers that are all working together to improve our businesses and improve our campaigns, then check out Email 10K, where you can meet with me every single week. We have calls and I'll coach you through how to grow your business. All the other members in that group are also working on the exact same thing. So it's a great networking opportunity and great for growing your company. You can join that by going to email10k.com and I'll see you inside. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube, subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.